Here you can see me cutting a board. But this is not any ordinary board. This is a fairly special board. Allow me to elaborate. This board is made of wood, as most boards are, and we all know that wood comes from trees. And the tree that this board came from, my father cut down himself, and he gave me the trunk. I then ran it through my newly acquired sawmill, which was acquired via the help of a loan from my father. Then I let it dry for several months. I know I wanted to make him something rather special or unique for his birthday, but that is a hard task to do because the only thing he is really passionate about is Bluetooth and technology and Surrey. And of course, Motorola phones. So rather than going and buying him a new piece of technology or something, I decided to make him a pen out of a tree that he cut down on his own property. Also, this wood is from the very first time I ever ran the sawmill, so that's kind of special too. As well as the fact that this is the very first time that I've ever used wood from my sawmill. All of that to say, even though it is just another pen, this pen is a lot more special and means a lot more than most pens do to me, and I thoroughly enjoyed taking my time with this project. I don't really have much else to say in this video besides that. I may talk at the end a little bit, but until then just enjoy watching this in silence. And by the way, all the chiseling that you're about to see is done in real time. The sanding is sped up, but the chiseling is actually how long it takes me to shape the pen. Enjoy. Since it is what my father prefers, here comes 3 minutes of silence. Feel free to sing if you do not like silence. Well, that is all. This is the pen for my dad's 50th birthday. Happy birthday, old man, and thanks for letting me pursue this weird hobby of mine and encouraging me and helping me along the way. This little business of mine would be nowhere if it wasn't for you and Mom being awesome parents. I love you both. Cheers. Yarhar! 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 Yarhar!